cells. The cells they are the source of the electric electricity. They have a bulb. This is the bulb. This is the switch. The arrangement of cells, bulb, and switch is called a simple arrangement. Now I am writing here cell. Writing here another cell. Now is it open circuit or closed circuit now? Closed. Now is it open or closed now? Open. How? Bulb does not glow. Means who's not passing here? That's why this is the open circuit. When we on the switch, how is it? You are not good.